Hi guys! Good morning! So ngayon ay nasa Go Hotel Lanang po tayo. Dito tayo mag-i-stay for 1 day bago tayo pumunta sa next destinations natin. Then let's check yung room po na available nila. By the way, my room is located at 3rd floor, 318. This room is a queen size room located at 3rd floor. So, pagpasok natin, makita natin yung mattress, TV. Ayan. Size of mattress, gaya nga na sinabi ko, is a queen size mattress. Kompleto ang toiletries nila. So, sa gilid, andun naman yung toothbrush, baso, and then, we have your shower room. Ayan. So, ang linis kasi hindi mababasa yung toilet sa kabila kasi separate na room sila. At ayan, so malaki yung room. Actually, this room is with connecting room sa kabilang kwarto. Kaso hindi natin kinuha yung connecting room kasi isa lang naman tayo, guys. Ayan. So, check natin kung maganda yung kanyang mirror. Ayan. Payat naman po tayo here. Hi guys! Happy Sunday! So, today, ang room natin is Go Hotel sa Lanang. So, quick recap, yung hotel room na nakuha ko is amounting of less than 2,000, which is 1,900. So, nakuha ko to via Booking and queen bed size mattress. Ayan. So, type of mattress is a Bonel type mattress. And so, with breakfast na yung room. So, medyo nakatipid tayo. So, kung gusto niyo po maghanap ng isang araw na, or sabihin natin maghanap ng isang hotel na maayos, malinis, mura, please consider Go Hotel. Ayan. So, yun lang guys. Happy Sunday. Bye!